Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Today I have brought you another recipe and that's super easy to make. So let's see how we make this. First we are going to place a pan on the stove and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. We will let this caramelize on a low flame. Now carefully add half a cup of hot water to the caramel. Now add 3/4 cup of sugar and add 4 cardamoms too. Mix this all really well. Once all the sugar has completely dissolved, we are going to add 1.5 cup of grated coconut. Mix this all really well. Finally add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it again and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now sweet coconut filling is ready. Now let's move on the next step. First take 1 cup of rice flour and add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix that well together. Now take 1 cup of water and add it in little by little as you mix. Keep adding water until the dough reaches this consistency and then knead it. Next we are going to take this dough and put into this string hoppers machine. Then we press it onto the string hoppers tray like this. We have take the filling we just made, put it in the middle. And then cover it again with the string hoppers mixture, just like this. Now steam these for 5 minutes. You can also add some food coloring to the rice flour mixture to make it red. Now take this dough and put into the string hoppers machine. Then we press in onto the string hoppers tray. Add filling. Then cover it again with the string hoppers mixture. Now we steam. You can even use red rice flour or string hoppers flour to create the same dish. I used 3 different colors to make this. Now it is nicely steamed. So let's remove it from the heat. This is a very sweet and delicious food that you can enjoy at any time of today. So I invite all of you to try make this and enjoy the taste. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you enjoy watching my video, don't forget hit the subscribe button. I will see you again. Bye.